Hey everybody, it's Gary here. We're doing a brief walkthrough today on the Affirmation Wizard. If you haven't tried this yet, it's pretty amazing. You can start out a lot of your different social media creations off of this Affirmation Wizard. It's pretty simple. Topic idea, let's say positivity. You can easily just use a one-word prompt for this, and it'll do its magic. Here you can pick your aspect ratio. We'll go with 16:9 is usually pretty good for a horizontal layout. Landscape, and generate results. That's all it takes. One word, pick your ratio, and generate results. Less than 3 minutes, and it'll pop some good stuff out for you. And then also with this app, it creates images to go along with the post, which is pretty amazing. So this tool generates positive affirmations and visualizations of different lengths that can be used during therapy or coaching sessions to create audio or video content and more. Just enter your topic idea or image you want to use and be surprised. This app will also create an image draft for the desired topic. So there's a brief rundown of what this app does for you. And it's doing its work right now behind the scenes. As you can see, it doesn't take very long. It's going to be less than 3 minutes, and many times it'll actually be even shorter than that. So we'll kind of see as we're waiting to see if it takes the full time or not. And here's where it keeps all the ones you've been working on in the past, so you have a nice record of past creations, and you can still pull from. It gives your history there, down to less than a minute and a half, so it's working feverishly behind the scenes, and it's going to give us something really nice. So just off of positivity, we'll see what we get. So it's pretty simple. One word prompting. Of course, you can always put a little more information in there, but it's not necessary. But you can get deeper and richer content that way. So off of positivity, here's what we got. It gives you a couple nice images. I am filled with positivity, radiating joy and gratitude in every moment. This affirmation emphasizes living in the present tense with positivity, helping the client foster a mindset filled with joy and gratitude. It uses a personal I statement and invokes emotion by focusing on the radiance of positivity, fulfilling guidelines for creating effective affirmations. There you go. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. Imagine standing at the edge of a tranquil meadow bathed in warm golden sunlight, and so on. You can see the rest. It's pretty amazing. And then another pro tip here is you can copy and paste this, and then you can plug this into the video creation star or voiceover star, and it'll use this information and create it, turn it into a video, affirmation video that you can share with clients, or you can share on social media, or you can use it for yourself. So it's pretty amazing, and you saw how quick that was. It didn't even take the full 3 minutes, and you got a couple nice images you can use if you wanted to post this on social media, and you can download, copy, remove the background, you can edit, image to video. There's a lot you can do within this app. And like I said, you can also copy and paste the entire content and plug it into other apps and go from there. Hope this helps. Have a good one. Take care, everybody. See you next time.